Come here, baby.
Whoa. I've never seen one like that.
Isn't that too cool? Whoa. Oh my gosh.
I said, oh my god.
I said, oh my good gosh. Okay, be really quiet. Don't move very fast either, okay? Oh my goodness. Don't knock.
Scare them.
Yeah, please don't scare him, okay? Oh my goodness. Wow. There's still so many.
Mom.
Yeah.
Can you put my real one?
Huh?
Can you put my real one?
Hold on, baby.
I never seen that.
I know. I haven't seen this many right here before.
I know Primo showed me that. I was like, I don't know what. There's a many hummingbirds going come over. There's I was like, we need to
Let's
give
see.
them more water, Mom.
I think there's 8 or 9 that I can see so far. Wow.
That's why we need to give them, Mom.
Hmm?
We need to give the hummingbirds some more water.
Yeah.
But they went out.
I know. Mommy's going to have to make some more. I think they like it, don't they?
Uh-huh.
Well, Mommy was so excited whenever we saw number 6 come around, but it's a lot right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so, yep, 9 or 10. Wow. Hold on, baby. Let me record just a little bit longer. Let's see how many's on there right now. Just 1, 2, 3.